Hello everyone, welcome to my civil channel. In this AutoCAD series, I will introduce you to AutoCAD software. So this series is for a complete beginner or absolutely no knowledge of this software. I will start with the basic introduction. We'll go simple floor plan, making elevation view from a floor plan. Then we'll go to the 3D modeling. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So as you can see, from here you can start your drawings and we will go through it. First option which we have, the template, ready template, which is in AutoCAD. Mainly I recommend to use ACAD DWT or ACAD ISO DWT for a 2D drawing dimension. Now let me open for you, for example, one 3D dimension so you can see how it's gonna look like. This is one of the 3D files which I open. Now we'll close it. The next option which you have is open file. Open file, you can open your AutoCAD file. Then you will have the open sheet set. Open sheet set, if you have more than one file, several drawing you want to open it, you can open it from this option, and then you can just take the drawing files and organize them in a proper order so you can easily access when working through your project require. Then you have get more template online. You can just press it and then it will take you to the AutoCAD side. From there you can get all the template which is already been there based on your requirements. The last option which we have, the explore sample drawing, if you want to use your project as a main drawing. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.